open to your English literature books, page number 21, and get ready with your English literature notebook and pencil box. Okay. Uh, Yesterday we had done question answers in the notebook. You had already done word meanings and words to know and difficult words in your notebook. So today we will start with RTC, that is reference to context. Okay. On page number 21, can you see exercise C?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
written. It is written. Read this sentence from the story and answer the questions that follow. Exercise C. Please write this line. Read this sentence from the story and answer the questions that follow. That's enough, boys. You can stop now. Question number 1. Who said these words and to whom? Quickly write this much. Copy the name of the exercise, then the line, and then question number 1. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Quickly write, beta.
Ma'am, please send the question in the
Who is speaking first? Tell your name.
I'm
What happened, Mishti?
ma'am.
क्या हुआ
Ma'am,
बेटा?
please tell the question in the
Exercise page number 21. Quickly open page number 21. Exercise C. Read this sentence from the story and answer the questions that follow. You are sitting in the English literature class without opening the English book, without taking out the English copy, and you are asking me to repeat. You are still not ready with your books and notebooks. You don't know which class you are attending? Exercise C. Read the sentence from the story and answer the questions that follow. That's enough, boys. You can stop now. Who said these words and to whom? Quickly write this much in your copy. Write the name of the exercise, then the sentence, and then question number 1. And all of you, please mute yourself. I will daily not tell again and again. You are not ready with your things and you are sitting in the class. Very good, Mishti. I'm marking all these things. Everybody has started writing and you are still flipping the pages only. Exercise C. Write the line also. Write the name of the exercise. Then the line. That's enough, boys. You can stop now. And question number 1. Who said these words and to whom? Written?
Ma'am,
Children,
no,
quick.
ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Okay, mute yourself now. It is looking like a fish market. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You could message also, no? Why are you all unmuting yourself and disturbing the class? How many times I will tell you the same thing? Nursery children है आप लोग. Daily आपको एक बात बतानी पड़ती है. Question number 1 says, who said these words and to whom? Last 1 minute I am giving, quickly write. After 1 minute, I will start telling the answer. If you have not written, after 1 minute also, then leave the space. Adiba, Adiba,
Ma'am, Adiba left.
very good. I will start telling the answer after 30 seconds, children. Please speed up those who have not written. Okay, now even if you have not written, please leave this space. Question number 1 says, who said these words and to whom? Okay, Yash Yadav, please unmute yourself. Yash Yadav, please unmute yourself. Yash Yadav, please unmute yourself.
Yes.
Chalo, theek. Yash, can you hear me? Okay, forget it. Swastik, can you hear me? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's enough, boys. You can stop now. Who said these words to whom? Yes, Swastik. Who said these words? You have read the story. I have explained the story to you also.
Yes.
Then please tell. That's enough, boys. You can stop now. Who said these words? Very good. This shows what you are revising at home and what you are working. Very good. Very good. You have exams from 20th July. And this is your preparation. Excellent. Very good. Very good, Swastik. Don't study at home, okay? Play and keep on playing.
Ma'am, I can't tell.
Did I ask you to unmute yourself, beta? In this way only you all disturb the class. Yes, Yash, can you tell? Chalo, he also doesn't know. Good. Ansh Mathur, can you tell who said these words and to whom?
Tenali said these words to the thieves.
Very good, Ansh. Tenali said these words to the thieves. When did he spoke? When they were watering his plants, when they were taking the water out of the well and they got tired, all the plants were watered by that water. Then Tenali said, "You, that's enough, boys. You can stop drawing the water now." So write the answer. Those who have not written the question and everything, please leave this page. You can do it back at home. Write the answer. Tenali. I will not tell the spelling of Tenali. It is already, you have written it 3-4 times, so you must have learned by now. Tenali said these words. I'm writing the answer in the message also. Tenali said these words to the thieves. I have sent the message. You can write from there if you want. Tenali said these words to the thieves. And don't draw the finishing line since they are one line question answers. You can still leave one. You can simply leave one line and write question number 2. What did the speaker wants the boys to stop? After writing answer number 1, leave 1 or 2 lines and write question number 2. Answer number 1 says, Tenali said these words to the thieves. Tenali said these words to the thieves. After writing answer number 1, write question number 2. What did the speaker want the boys to stop? Children, increase your writing speed. You have a lot of work to do. Quickly write. What did the speaker want the boys to stop? What did the speaker want the boys to stop? What did the speaker want the boys to stop? Yes, Mohak, please tell the answer to question number 2. Mohak,
Yes, ma'am.
why I have to call you people's name 3-4 times? You people roam about here and there. Am I fool sitting here calling your name 2-3 times and you will reply at your leisure? Ma'am is a fool sitting here or what? Everybody's name I have to call 2-3 times. Then they will reply, yes, ma'am. Very good. What did the speaker want the boys to stop? Yes, Mohak, what did the speaker, who is the speaker? Tenali is the speaker. What does Tenali want the boys to stop?
The speaker wants to stop the thief. Ma'am, I can tell.
Did I ask you?
The water. And the thieves
Mohak,
to
please repeat the
stop
answer.
drawing water from the well.
To stop drawing water from the well. Good. Write the answer, everyone. Tenali want the boys to stop drawing water from the well. I'm sending the answer. You can start writing. Tenali, you will not write speaker because you know the name of the speaker now. Tenali want the boys to stop drawing water from the well. Tenali want. I have written the spelling wrong of want. I'm just telling. Tenali wants the boys to stop drawing water from the well. Leave one or two lines and then write question number 3. Yes, Rajveer, what happened?
Ma'am, you have right.
I have sent the correct spelling. You can see. I have written the spelling wrong. I can see that, and I have sent the correct spelling also. I have sent the correct spelling. The moment I saw that I have written the wrong spelling, I have written the correct spelling at the bottom. Okay? Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Tenali want the boys to stop drawing water from the well. Leave one line and write question number 3. How have the boys helped the speaker? How have the boys helped the speaker? How have the boys helped the speaker? Mohak, will I come to your place and write, or will you write yourself?
Ma'am, what?
Should I come to your home and write for you, or you will write it on your own?
Ma'am, I will write on my own.
So please write. What are you waiting for? Please write. Write answer number 2. Write question number 3. What are you looking at here and there? Answer number 2 I've already sent on the message. Tenali want the boys to stop drawing water from the well. And leave 2 lines and write question number 3. What are you waiting for?
Ma'am, you have written answer number 2. Tenali. E-A-N-D you have written.
Mohak, please look at the down. I have written the right spelling also. After sending the message, I have quickly sent the right spelling. Tenali want. Can you see at the bottom?
Yes, ma'am.
I have written. Then why are you saying same thing again and again? I have seen that I have written the wrong spelling and I have quickly sent the correct spelling. बेटा उसी time मैंने भेज दी थी. You can see E-A-N-T but you cannot see W-A-N-T at the bottom. And you know the right spelling. Class 3 children, when I tell you the spelling of want, even if I have written the wrong spelling, you know the right spelling, no? So you write. You know the right spelling. You keep on writing, beta. आप क्यों रुक गए हो? आप लिखो. After that, write question number 3, all of you. How had the boys helped the speaker? How had the boys helped the speaker? Okay, now if you have not written question number 3, leave space. And Abul, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abul. How had the boys helped the speaker? How had the boys helped Tinali?
Ma'am.
What have they done that they were actually helping Tinali? Thieves ने ऐसा क्या किया? What have they done that they had unintentionally helped Tinali? Children, don't send this message again and again that I have done, I have done. I know you people have done. Yes. Yes, Abul. What is the matter? Why are you not studying at home? Should I call Mama? Yes. Should I call Mama or you will study on your own? I can see the from the moment the school the classes have rescheduled the classes, you are not studying. Since 6th of July, I am taking classes and I am watching you. You people are not studying. What is the matter? Before the holidays you were fine, but after the holidays you are not studying. क्या हुआ है? क्यों नहीं पढ़ना है? Should I call Mama Abul?
No, ma'am.
No, I think I should make a call to Mama because I can see you're not answering, you're not reading properly the chapter while I was explaining, and now you don't know the answers to the questions as well. I think I will make a call to her in the evening today. There are many students that from the time the classes have been rescheduled, you people are not studying. Many of you are there, not only Abul. Many of you I can see. You all were very good before the summer break, but after the summer break, I think we should have not given you a summer break only then. Okay, Vanshita, can you please tell how have the boys helped the speaker? What have they actually done that they helped Inali?
They have drew the water, and from the channels the water flowed to the garden and the stars.
Okay, very good. But this answer is very long, Vanshita. We are doing one line answers. So what we will write is the boys helped Tinali by watering his plants. What was the final result of the activity? That his plants were watered. Yes or no, Vanshita?
Yes.
What actually happened at the end of the activity while they were drawing water from the well? What actually happened at the end that all his plants in the garden was watered. So we will write the boys helped Tinali by watering his plants. Please start. And if you have not written question number 3, anybody, please leave 2 lines and write the answer. Question you can write later, but write the answer first. And I am sending the answer on the message also, so you can see from there. Sorry, the boys helped Tinali by watering his plants. The boys helped Tinali by watering his plants. I have sent it on the message also. You can see from there. And otherwise, you all know the answer. The boys helped Tinali by watering his plants. Leave one line and then write the last question number 4. What did the boys try to do next? First finish answer number 3. The boys helped Tenali by watering his plants. The boys helped Tenali by watering his plants. Adiba, Adiba,
Yes, ma'am.
why have you joined late?
Ma'am, network problem.
Network problem. And you have completed all your English literature work? Sanjeevni has sent you the work, no? Sanjeevni has sent you the pictures. Have you written the work? No. What are you doing at home, Adiba?
Because, ma'am,
Why have you not done the work? I will call Mama in the evening today. I will talk to Mama then. Chalo, keep on writing. Abhi likho what I have given you. Just write. The boys helped Tinali by watering his plants. Full stop. Leave a line and write question number 4. What did the boys try to do next? What did the boys try to do next? Suryansh,
yes, ma'am.
please give the answer to question number 4. What did the boys try to do next? After they were caught, what did they try to do?
The boys tried to escape.
Very good. The boys tried to escape. Very good. Please mute yourself now. The boys tried to escape. Write question number 4, everyone. Or rather, you can leave space for the question. Write the answer first. Question you can write later after the class. The boys tried to escape. Quickly finish this much and then I have prepared multiple choice questions for you. We will be doing that. Quickly write. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly finish all the answers and open to a fresh page. The boys tried to escape. Another 2 minutes and at 5 we will start with multiple choice questions. The boys tried to escape. Those who have done all this, written all the questions and all the work is complete, please open a fresh page, turn to a fresh page, give the heading multiple choice question. I'm sending multiple choice questions. I have sent the heading on the message. You can see from there. Multiple choice questions. In bracket में you will write MCQ. M stands for multiple, C stands for choice, and Q stands for question. Multiple choice questions. MCQs. Quickly give the heading. Abul, you have written? Banshita, mute yourself. Abul, you have written? Okay. Give the heading multiple choice question. And the first one is, shall I start, children? You all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first one says, Krishna Devaraya, sorry, Krishna Devaraya, Krishna Devaraya was a famous I'm sending you how you will write, okay? Just see what I'm sending. Wait. See, children, please open to your message box. You can see there. Question number 1 says, Krishna Dev Rai was a famous dash. Then there are 4 options in the next line. Servant, officer, king, queen. You will write it like this only. Anybody who cannot see, please let me know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rajveer.
Ma'am, we have to write the options also.
Why will you not write the options? This shows that you don't listen to me. Since the first day of the class I'm shouting, you will get such questions in the exam, multiple choice questions, where you will have 4 options and you have to select any one option. So if you will not write the options, how will you select the option then? Since day 1 of the class I'm shouting and you don't feel like listening to the teachers. You think कि मैम तो बोल रही है, बोलने दो. This is the kind of questions you will get in exam. They are very important. Yes, you will write all the options. Then only you will select only one option. No, the question says multiple choice. So you will write the choices. Then only you will select any one. No. Krishna Dev Rai was a famous dash. In the next line, you will write all the 4 options. Servant, officer, king, queen. And then you will pick the correct option. Whichever is the correct option, A sahi hai, so A you will take, B is right, then you will take B, C or D, whatever it is. Pick the correct option. Now did you understood how your questions will be there this time in the exam?
And we have to write also on.
What are you asking?
And we have to write on the.
You have to write what? Why are you muting yourself in between? Complete the sentence. I cannot hear you properly, beta. What are you saying?
And we have to write also.
So what will you do? You will not write. Why don't you listen to me? I am saying please open a fresh page and start write. Oh God, I cannot. Seriously, you are making me angry now. I am saying since past 10 minutes, please open a fresh page and start writing. So what I am giving you these questions for? If you will not write, then what will you do? Don't ask us silly questions. The class is about to over and you will ask such questions now. Anybody who has any confusion with these questions, please ask. They are very, very important. Anybody who wants to ask anything? Don't ask that you have to write or not. Please don't ask such things. Because it is but obvious I'm giving you questions, so you have to write. What will you do with the questions? Okay. Shriyansh,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the correct answer? Krishna Dev Rai was a famous
King.
king. So you will tick on the option C. Krishna Dev Rai was a famous king and tick on the option C. I have given you one question. Rest all the questions. Either I will send you on the WhatsApp or we will do it tomorrow. Okay, because there is no time. We have maths class also. So I will give you more questions tomorrow. Okay. In the meantime, whatever you have done till now in the notebook, please sit and revise. I can see half of you are not studying. 20th July 2020, you are starting with your PA1 exams. I have already sent you the syllabus. I will send it once again today if you don't have. I have sent you the date sheet and syllabus. Please start learning. You will end up into big trouble otherwise. I'm ending the class now. We will meet after 15 minutes, okay? Or rather 10 minutes. There are only 10 minutes left, okay? Chalo, do this much. Bye for now. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.